Good morning, everyone. Today I will just make a sequel of my previous movie, uh, in which I was advising or sharing my views how young ones should be educated to have our population preserved, growing, and scientific and cultural progress ongoing. So, one should say, yes, but it's great, but if human population grows, then our planet is in danger. However, we define this planet, I was mentioning it already, because environment is being destroyed. It's not entirely true, because if we are working to be better versions of ourselves than we were one day before, and we have children, so we want to preserve our world in the best shape possible for future generations. So we are interested in preserving our ecological habitat. So then, quite quickly, so-called pro-nature, so pro-ecological in positive sense of this word, in positive meaning, would come into awareness of the majority of people. And together with our technological and civilizational progress, we would also take care of our environment because we would be aware that this is the place where we live in, and this is the place uh, on which we are dependent, and the preservation of the proper state of our habitat, so our environment, is a really crucial condition of our survival and the most important survival of our children. But if we are almost childless generations like now, we don't care about the future because everything we, in this world, if there is another word besides this one, this is another discussion. But if we are childish generations, so everything in this world will finish for us with ourselves, with our biological death. So we don't care about the future. That's why we are only willing to generate as much wealth as we can. Of course, we pretend eco-friendly and so on, but we know that it's not the case. Like solar batteries, all of these mills, electric mills, and so on, which are full of heavy metals and some non-degradable polymers that really make our planet very much contaminated. In contrast to this, what we are said that this is eco-friendly. It's eco-unfriendly, this is true. So, but if we are equipped with this set of morality and mental setup I mentioned in my previous video about the education of young ones to improve our world, then we quickly start thinking about preserving our earth, our environment in the best shape possible for our future generations because we have real motivation to do so. And this is how in this video I was fighting with you against the Atmas character of our world around us, debunking the myth about overpopulation and debunking the myth about growing population and complete destruction of environment. Bye, have a nice day.